Sesifikile nomthamo wendaba zanamhlanje esikubikela zona bunqopha ukusuka e-Studio 9 emzimkhulu wendaba e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Asiqale isithujileko.
In the charging of Commissioner Masemola, was there an intention that he be embarrassed?
The real intention was never to get a successful prosecution.
Ikomishini kaMadlanga ithi indaba yokubotshwa kwakaKommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemola ecaleni lobukhohlakali neMedicare yayenzelwa ukuthunaza isithunzi sakhe.
The dissenting judgment is more legally persuasive.
We are of the view that you should not file any application to the High Court.
Ikomiti yeParliament ephenya ukuziphathwa kaMengameli iphethe ngokuthi iyokubilayela ngesiqundo sekhotho ephakameko yeTjingalanga Kapa sangeveke pheleko esivumele isibawo sikaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokujamisa ukusebenza kwekomiti le.
Sisuka lesizostoka sikibelela mahala every day.
Akuna umuntu lo uzothenga imali e500 igipa ze1.
Abathengisi abathenga ezitolo zeJohannesburg ezithengisa impahla yomgunyadi babuyele ekhaya badududu amapholisa avale intolo abastoka kizo. Sakwamukela mbukele endabeni zanamhlanje zesiNdebele kweSABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Ikomishini kaMadlanga ithi indaba yokubotshwa kwakaKommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemola ecaleni lobukhohlakali neMedicare yayenzelwa ukudosa phasi igama lakhe kusilaphazwe nesithunzi sakhe. Begodu kufakazela indaba yokuthi IDEC yayiqothela abogeneral ukwenzela ukuthi basuswe enkhundleni zabo. Lokho kuragele phambili nokuvela ebufakazini beIDEC ebuveza ukuthi kwasungula amacala amayelana noLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo noGeneral Fani Masemola ngaphandle kokulandela umthetho. Hlangana nezinye imbonelo kubalwa nokubeka kwaMasemola amacala wokuphelwa umthetho wemali zombuso.
Akhange iphumelele imizamo ka-Advocate Andrew Johnson yokulinga ukuhlathulula bona kuba yini uCommissioner wamapholisa uGeneral Fani Masemola abekwa amacala amane wokwephula isigaba sama-38 somthetho wemali zombuso. Kunalokho usihlalo uthe batsho lokhu kwakuvele kuhleliwe ukwenzela ukuthi uMasemola abhalelwe kuhlala esikhundleni sakhe ikibe ngakelinye ihlangothi uyaphenywa.
In my view, the intention was, as I say, get him arrested with the spectacle that comes with it, get him charged with the consequence that naturally will follow, which is the minister and hopefully even he, National Commissioner, would say it's untenable for me to remain in this position while I'm undergoing a criminal trial.
uJohnson uvumile ukuthi uMasemola kwangakameli ukuthi athweswe amacala asolwa ngawo ekufakazela amagama ukuthi konke lokhu kwakwenzelwa ukuthunaza isithunzi sikaMasemola.
I can understand the optics thereof, but at no stage in the charging of Commissioner Masemola was there an intention that he be embarrassed.
uJohnson utshela ukuthi kunelinye godu icala elifakazela insolo zeIDEC zokuthi beyiqothele imphathimandla zamapholisa eziphezulu uLieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kunye noGeneral Fani Masemola.
At no stage did any of these cases start on the basis of wanting to target any individual, even those that I mentioned. We dealt with the investigations. In the course of these 2 days of engagements, and in the manner in which we have engaged, we would have to accept that we could have done things differently and or could have done things better. But that does not in itself make it a witch hunt
Nakusenjalo usihlalo wekomitjhini le umbuyiseli Madlanga uragele phambili lokuthulisa ilanga lokuthula ubufakazi likasomabhizinisi weTlhagwini Tjingalanga uSulman Karim walithulisela ngenyanga ezako uRhoboyi kanti nange uKarim abhalelwa kuvela azokwethula ubufakazi mhlokho izakhibe uzibeka ekuhlolweni ngokukhethekileko ngezempilo yakhe ukulayelwa kwekomitjhini kuyaraga.
Ikomiti yeParliament ephenya ukuziphatha kwakamengameli iphethe ngokuthi iyokubilayela ngesiqundo sekhothe ephakemeko yeTjingalanga Kapa sangeveke epheleko esivumele isibawo sikamengameli uCyril Ramaphosa sokujamisa ukusebenza kwekomiti le. Isahlulo lesitsho ukuthi ikomiti le ingaraga kwaphela ngomsebenzi wokulungiselela njengokuqunda imigomo yayo yokusebenza nokukhetha umholi wobufakazi. Akukho ukulalelwa kwamacala ajajalazi namkha ukwethula kobufakazi okungaraga bekube kulapho kuthonywa ukubuyekezwa kwezomthetho kombiko webandla elizijameleko lendinyana i-89 ekulindeleke bona kulalelwe ekuthomeni kwakakhukhulamungu. I-ATM, i-EFF, i-MKP ne-UAT sebaye ekhothe yomthethosisekelo khona izokubuyekeza indaba le.
Isiphakamiso sokuzibilayeza ngesiqundo sangeveke epheleko sivele mahlangothi wonke ngitsho nakamanye amalunga kahulumende wokubusa ngokubumbana.
Even if the review application finalized and even if we can then proceed, it may well be healthy in terms of the law going forward.
If anything, the uncertainty has been created, certainly, by the fact that there is a dissenting judgment. And my view is that the dissenting judgment is more legally persuasive.
The main reason why we must appeal this judgment on various grounds, including the fact that it is a vague judgment. A vague judgment becomes difficult to enforce, difficult to comply with, and causes more confusion.
This is a precedent-setting process, and therefore we might not do it for ourselves, but do it for the future.
Babembalwa laba bebaphikisana nokuthi isiqundo esi singabilayezwa.
We are of the view that you should not file any application to the High Court because this is a ruling that specifically says it's not for a long term.
Nakusenjalo ikomiti iqunde nokuthi ingabiza abahloli bombiko webandla elizijameleko lendinyana i-89 bazokufakaza phambi kwayo.
Nasibuya entolo.
The residences whereby a student has sexually violated another student. So we hope that this forum will be a voice for students.
Malanga ahlanganyele nababelani ukuqedanya ubulelesi obuhagele emakhempasini weYunivesithi yeMpumalanga. Sisaragane ndaba lapha mbukeli nazi kuphundile kwindaba ezi uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC+, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Qabembukeli ngelesithathu lilanga lokukhuluma ngendaba zamakhetho njengoba ke kuyavota amalanga nakamane kusinyikhaba. Namhlanje sike sikhulumisana nokhulumela zekomitini yekhetho uThando Xolo Tshembeni ngezamva nje. Akwande babo Tshembeni ngempela vekele kuyavulwa kodwa ukuthi abantu abangakazihloliseli ukuvota bazihlolisele ukuvota. Ingabe nakuvulwako kuva ukuthi nakuvalwako kuzokuvalelwa futhi nofana bangaraga nokuzihlolisela online abantu.
Sithokoze Mhathi uma kuvalwa ngosonto kuzoba kusho ukuthi kuphela kwempela veki yokugcina yokubhalisela noma yokuhlolisela ukuvota. So abantu bangasebenzisa online portal yethu bazihlolise ngayo up until ngesuku lapho uMinister of Culture azoproclaima usuku lokuvota lamhla ka4 November 2026 ngo12 o'clock ebusuku izaba igcina lapho kuregister ke online iportal yethu.
Babu Tshembeni siyasithokoza isikhathi sakho sanamhlanje si.
Sithokoze Mhathi.
Nasaragane ndaba amapholisa weSouth Africa ngokusebenzisana nabanye ababelani bethule ijima lobuhlakani phakathi kwedorobha leJohannesburg aqothele into lezisola ngokuthengisa impahla yomgunyathi. Ijima lelike ngelokuqinisa ukulandela umthetho lidoswa phambili liphiko lamapholisa welizwe elitshejeze impahla yomgunyathi nepahla engasemthethweni. Kanti kubekwa abogadi endaweni ekuthiwa zilidzaba lekwetjiwa kwempahla. Kodwa ke nje isithunzi samabhizinisi asesemthethweni nomnotho welizwe.
Bafike ngendlovu yangena bezomthetho lapha kuphutulana nepahla yomgunyathi bekwavala nezinye intole ekabeni yedorobha leJohannesburg. Abathengisa abastoka lapha ebaziwa ngamarana bathi babetheka idumela ngophiko ngalokhu.
Siphila ngako thina sisuka le sizostoka sigibelela mahala every day. Asisebenzi. Ubuningi bethu asisebenzi. Kwabantwana bethu baphila ngako kona lokho.
Kanti nabathengisa abahlangatshezwe izintolo ezivaliweko balila kangako.
Siphila ngayo le impahla le yona le bethi phone call mare akuna muntu lo uzothenga imali e500 igipa ze1. Kodwa siyazama manje ukuthi yona le mpilo yiyo lezoyisebenzisa ukuthi sithengisa wona la amafake yakhona.
Amapholisa athi ihlelo lilingcenye yemizamo ekhona yokulinga ukulusana nokukhiqizwa ukusabalaliswa nokuthengiswa kwempahla engasemthethweni ekufaka hlangana amanyathelo izembatho inihlambezisi nemichoka hlangana nokhunye.
It's all hands on deck with these types of operations. Today's operation forms part of ongoing efforts to dismantle the illegal trade in counterfeit and illicit goods.
Amapholisa abakhombe ngomuno laba bathengisa impahla yomgunyathi athi bazokulilelwa zinsimbi namkha abahlawuliswe. Kanti kwanje sele kubotshwa abantu abahlanu ekusahlolwa amaphepha bomnyango wendaba zangekhaya.
Asikale umbono wakho umbukeli ngendaba ephela kule nakumbono wakho uyalandela.
Kade azivala intolo mhathi uzithengisa njani impahla zomgunyathi.
Amapholisa vela kangayivumeli into okuthengiswa kwempahla zomgunyathi eSouth Africa.
Uma la ufuna udayisa into esemthethweni futhi ube kulelizwe ngokusemthethweni.
Abasitoke ngetinto ezisemthethweni hayi into emgunyathi.
Nomnotho uyabogaboga ngenxa yezinto ezingasisemthethweni.
Akukho right ukuthi ungathengisa fake. Ngoba because wena gainer wena uthengisa fake. But laba ama original bayalusa. And laba ama original iba abantu abathexwayo. Asikeni ukudla amandla abanye abantu.
Umbuzo ukuthi izingena kanjani zifike nje lapha eJohannesburg zingena kanjani ezintolo.
Abantu bakhalela into zabo omsasi. Gebezama bathengise eziright abaliwa qhama bathengise into eziright ngezo zamgunyathi.
NeSouth Africa ayitoli itax la.
Bathengisa nama drugs, bathengisa nezinto ezingavumeleki ukuthi bangathengisa emphakathini mkhathi.
Ange umbukeli SABC ayizokuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Amapholisa athule ngokusemthethweni ijima lezevikele kweYunivesithi yeMpumalanga eMbombela. Lokhu kwimizamo yokulwisana nobulelesi emazweni wezefundo ephakemeko nendaweni ezihlalisa abafundi ezingaphandle kwamakhempasi. Ukusebenzisana lokhu phakathi kwamapholisa nomnyango wezefundo nokuthwasisa kuyingcenye yejima lokuqinisa ivikeleko elizweni lonke emazweni wezefundo ephakemeko.
Ubelelesi yindaba mraro khulu ebafundini abahlala ngaphakathi kwamakhempasi endaweni ezihlalisa abafundi nalabo abahlala ngaphandle kwamakhampasi. Kuzokala bona izehlakalo zokukhahlumezana ngokobulili, ukukata kunye nokusetshenziswa bujilweni kwendakamizwa kwande khulu ebafundini.
Not only in the institution itself, but also outside or off campus, because we all aware that we do have students that are actually residing in private accommodation.
Umnyaka opheleleko sibe phezulu isibalo sezehlakalo ezithinta abafundi abahlala ngaphandle kwekhempasi. I-University le ithi ivikeleko labafundi liqalo ndanzi.
Working with the SAPS, we're able to
as well as working with campus security to be able to strengthen engagements to see to it that the cases get attended.
Umkhandlu ojamela abafundi uthemba ukuthi ijimeli lizokuletha amachuguluko afunekako.
We hope that this forum will be a voice for students, and then we are very much happy that we are here and students are as well involved. We want to shape the policies that they will shape the manner in which our off-campus student accommodation are.
Amapolisa nemphathimandla eUniversity yeMpumalanga nabanye ababelani bayokutlikitla isivumelwano sokuzibophelela ngamahlelo amatshala.
Kezemali iranda lehlile nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikulu. Kusasa nangelesihlanu zikhona indaba zeSwati kanti ngesibi yekhomba kulandela zeSulu nisale nomusa.